Welcome to PractiCORE. In this guide, we'll walk through two key workflows: adding a new client inquiry and generating a professional fee proposal from start to finish. From the dashboard, navigate to CRM system in the sidebar. This opens the New Inquiries page, where all your incoming leads are managed. Click New Inquiry to begin. The Add New Inquiry form opens. You can search for an existing client first. If there's no match, switch to the Create New Client tab. Enter the company or business name, the contact person's full name, their email address, and phone number. Fill in all the required fields carefully. This information will appear across all documents and proposals generated for this client in PractiCORE. With the new client created and now linked to the inquiry, the form reveals the project detail fields. Select the service type, in this example, full architectural. Choose the lead source to record how the inquiry came in. Then select the project type and building type from the drop-down menus. Add the project address if available. When all fields are complete, scroll down and click Add Inquiry to save. PractiCORE will confirm the inquiry has been successfully added to the system. Your new inquiry now appears in the New Inquiries table. To create a fee proposal, locate and click the Create button on the inquiry row. The Create Fee Proposal modal opens with the client details already pre-filled. Enter the project title. Then work through each stage of the project scope of works, entering the relevant fee for each line item. The financial summary at the bottom updates automatically as you add each figure. When all stages are complete, click Save and Close. PractiCORE generates the fee proposal and automatically downloads a PDF copy for your records. The proposal reference number now appears in your inquiries table. Click the reference to reopen it, then select Email Fee Proposal. Choose your email template. The message populates automatically with the proposal details. Click Send to deliver the fee proposal directly to your client by email. PractiCORE, the all-in-one practice management platform built for architecture and design firms. Visit practicore.com to learn more.